Fig collectors, good day. Just wanted to show you a couple of LAs from the many LAs we've harvested today. This cultivar is Aleniana and is one of the Fig Queen's early favorites. She loved it that much. I have to make sure I have sufficient clones of this. I had harvested an Aleniana LA maybe a week ago, and today we have two more. What I wanted to show you is the roots. Oh my lord. I just love these roots. They are mini plants on their own. Look at that. This is one here, and there is another Aleniana here. Not as many roots, but still healthy enough to be a mini plantlet. Okay, but just one more time. Look at this gorgeous beauty. Not just admiring the fruits, but also the roots. Signing out, Dr. Fig.